Thinking of downloading the Dream to Earn app? Let's take a quick look to find out if it's a golden opportunity or just another trap in disguise. Quick disclaimer, this video is based on online research and personal opinion. Dream to Earn claims you can make money through crypto based activities. The official site looks polished, but when you dig deeper, some warning signs start to show. First, there's no Trustpilot review yet. On Reddit, people are aggressively sharing referral codes, usually a sign that the app heavily relies on bringing in new users to keep it running, which is a common pattern in questionable platforms. According to Scam Advisor, the site has both positive and negative signals. It has a valid SSL certificate and is marked safe by DNS filter, but it also shows several red flags. Uses free email addresses for admin and technical contact, hosted in a high risk country, has very low traffic. The site is very new, which means it hasn't built any trust yet. It also may be linked to high risk crypto services and scam like behavior. Dream to Earn looks suspicious and risky at this stage. With its newness, referral heavy growth, and multiple red flags, we recommend staying away or proceeding with extreme caution. It may pay out early on to appear legit, but that doesn't mean it's sustainable or safe long term. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.